What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know most of OnePlus 7 series users have been waiting for Oxygen OS 11 stable build. But don't worry guys, we soon gonna see Oxygen OS 11 stable builds hopefully this week or maybe within a week or two. Seeing the past history of OnePlus software rollouts, Oxygen OS builds are released soon after Hydrogen OS is out. So today we have Hydrogen OS based on Android 11 and which is Hydrogen OS 11 stable build for OnePlus 7 series. Currently files are available for 7 Pro series. I'll soon update the links of all the files. I've already installed Hydrogen OS 11 on my OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's talk about the software information. Here you can see Android version is Android 11. Security patch is 1st Jan 2021. Google Play system update is of 1st Feb 2021. And here if you take a look at the build number, it says Hydrogen OS 11, which is the stable version. If you guys want to update your device, you can download the file given in the description below, place it inside the internal storage of your device, and the file size is around 4 GB. Once you're done with that, you just need to go to settings, system update, tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and you'll be able to see the file. Just tapping on it will give you an option to install. But I won't recommend you guys to update your device to Hydrogen OS, as downgrading will completely wipe your data. So just wait for a few days. We soon gonna see Oxygen OS 11 stable build for OnePlus 7 series. First let me show you the benchmark results of Hydrogen OS stable build. With Geekbenchmark application, single core have scored 719 and multi-core have scored 2543. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 5,59,035. Pretty decent scores for OnePlus 7 Pro. If you're installing Hydrogen OS for the first time, you have to deal with lots of Chinese bloatwares. As you can see here in the app drawer, we have lots of Chinese applications installed, but those applications can be easily uninstalled by long pressing and tapping on uninstall. This way you can remove all the Chinese applications and there'll be few applications which you won't be able to uninstall. For that, you can long press on the application, go to app info, and you can disable those applications. That will be removed from your app drawer. So as you can see here, I have uninstalled almost all the applications, I mean to say Chinese bloatwares, and now my device looks neat and clean. And if you're new to Hydrogen OS, you'll get to see few additional features. Like one of them is OnePlus Share. Then we have car mode. OnePlus Share feature will allow you to share your files quickly, and here are few supported brands like Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Xiaomi and other Android devices. On Hydrogen OS you'll also get to see one application called Smart Home, in which you can add your smart devices. And here we have a quick guide for setting up Smart Home. Changelogs are completely similar to all OnePlus devices who received Oxygen OS 11. One of the major issues what users have been facing with Oxygen OS 11 builds on every OnePlus device is related to canvas. But I think that has been fixed with this latest stable build of Oxygen OS 11 for OnePlus 7 series. We don't get any kind of new live wallpapers on stable builds too. We have the same wallpapers which were available on Android 10. But still I'll link a video in the description below. If you want, you can download live wallpapers from OnePlus 8 series and install it manually on your device. And the good part is you don't require any kind of root access. So as we all know that OnePlus have completely redesigned Oxygen OS 11 and basically it's meant for single hand usage. And most of the system apps are also redesigned for one hand usage, like Gallery, your messaging app, your dialer app and OnePlus weather application. Now let's take a quick look on the new additions done to Oxygen OS 11. And these changelogs are similar to the beta versions which we had previously for OnePlus 7 series. So OnePlus have added this new dark mode toggle directly inside your quick setting panel, and don't expect it to be completely dark. It's in some grayish color. So it's a quick access to the same. After that you can still go to display settings, dark mode, and here you'll get to see three options. One is manually, second one is turn on automatically, which includes automatically based on sunrise and sunset, and if you want you can also set in custom time range. And at last we have an option to forcefully enable dark mode to those applications which doesn't have support of dark mode. Related to system, they have done UI changes, device have been upgraded to Android 11, and at last they have also optimized the third-party applications for better experience. With Oxygen OS 11, OnePlus have also added few new features to its camera. Here camera app version is 6.4.43. Along with the features, we also have new UI for the camera application. Swiping up, you can see all the camera modes available. Here they have also added the high efficiency video mode. With this version of camera, they have also added the fast recording feature, which can be done just by long pressing on the shutter key. So as you can see, video recording have been started. And if I slide the shutter key towards the left hand side, that will zoom out, and swiping towards the right hand side will zoom in into the video. Along with that, now we have this new fast share option. which can be used to quickly share the photos clicked using your camera. So if you are clicking any picture, you just long press on the gallery thumbnail and you'll get all the options to share your photo. Under video section, you can record 4K videos at 60 FPS. We have the super stabilization mode. And if you're recording time-lapse video, you also get to see the actual time recorded in the time-lapse video. And if you guys are thinking about the always-on display, that haven't been added on stable build of Hydrogen OS. So I'm not sure whether that feature will be able to make it on first stable build of Oxygen OS 11. On beta builds, we had the always on display feature for OnePlus 7 series, but that was under testing, which was located under OnePlus Lab. But here on stable build, you won't find that option. Under OnePlus Lab, we have only one option, which is DC dimming. So this might be a sad news for people who are waiting for always on display on the stable builds. But OnePlus have added few new clock styles which can be found inside the customization section. And one of my favorite is this new Insight clock, which gives you all the details like how much time you have used your device, how many times you have unlocked the device, etc. And that's working fine on my OnePlus 7 Pro. After that, they have also done few UI changes when it comes to shelf. Now we also get to see a dynamic and a larger weather widget in the shelf section. And lastly, there are few changes done related to gallery application, which is again completely meant for single hand usage, and it's also been redesigned. So we have three sections here: photos, collection, and explore. Under explore, you get to see stories after every 7 days. So guys, this was a quick look to the first stable build of Hydrogen OS for OnePlus 7 series. I'll also be doing a full review on this, so let me know in the comment section below what all things you want me to cover. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.